Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, and today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. And this reading here is for Taurus. Welcome, Taurus. I am using the same old decks from the last week's reading one more time, and then next week I will change around the cards, okay? So, today we have the Good Tarot, and the reading starts with the card which is Temptation. And temptation is about some attachment. See this, the material world is my playground, but I need to be careful not to be attached to the outcomes. This is a warning to me to watch for excess and to know that it is not healthy for me. So when this card shows up in my reading, it is a sign that I am focused on the material realm and need to be aware of any excess or addictive behavior, my own or that of others. And the psychic tarot card is called the Waiting Game. And this card indicates that you have worked hard to set things in motion in certain areas of your life, and you are now waiting for the results to come to fruition. And the number 2 of this card is all about choices and decisions. So in the past, you may have been afraid of making decisions or choices, but now you are no longer held prisoner by this fear or the constraints of old beliefs. So expect the best and be open to the limitless power of your intuition, which is presently very strong. So trust and use it to assist you. Achievement and success, they are assured, but once obtained, do not let it change you. Remember who you are, the effort that it took to get you to this point, and the gratitude you need to show to the people who helped you. So stay on your spiritual path, for it will continue to guide you on the journey of your soul. The Oracle of the Seven Energies card is a powerful move. The key concepts here are action, movement with purpose, effort, putting into motion your intention, making choices from an empowered and thoughtful place, and positive change. The time for rest is over is the message. Change is in the air. This is a powerful time when deliberate action is needed to move your intentions out of the realm of thought and into the material, from ideas into action. How do you approach your relationship to the invisible world as it influences the visible? Do you see the relationship? Do you recognize yourself as a unique whole and worthy being who has a special place in the world, whose offerings are valuable, and whose life has meaning? You are a mighty co-creator, so step into the power and see your intentions manifest in the world. Real positive change is possible when you make choices from an authentic sense of self and take a conscious step toward your dreams. So to take steps toward your intended experience, start first with the way you think. Let curiosity be the focus now and display a willingness to discover new things instead of confirming your past expectations. Be open, be clear about your motives and your desires, and set your intention. And then step into the magic, just waiting for you to claim it. Traveling, traveling, moving, flowing, flying, whatever describes the changes in your life, know that these are called for now. Act with thoughtfulness and awareness, and remember to be true to yourself. What is called for now is doing the thing that needs to be done. All will be better. So what an enticing time comes up for you indeed. And the Sacred Destiny card is embracing. It is about the floodplains. A floodplain is a naturally occurring phenomenon in which the land adjacent to a river floods out to far banks of the surrounding land during times of high water. Land that is normally dry may now be underwater for a period of time. And when this occurs, silt, sand, and lots of nutrients are deposited. And for this reason, floodplains are often areas of great fertility as well as a rich ecosystem. They are excellent areas for lush, abundant crops. It is a natural occurrence that allows life in all areas to thrive. So the sacred landscape wants you to know sometimes life overflows with emotions which can feel a bit uncomfortable. However, the ensuing result of this discomfort can be of great value, perhaps arising from an unseen or unknown source. You get this card when emotions are seemingly overflowing or not flowing at all. So cherish the overflow of emotions and embrace the times that seem a bit murky, for your inner floodplains are being replenished, and as a result, there will be great spiritual and physical expansion. Embrace all your emotions. When you do so, greater prosperity and fertility will flow into your life. Alternatively, if your emotions have been blocked, this is the time to explore and to experience them. And the Bob Ross oracle card that came out for you is the bird. And the beautiful bird is on the card. No matter the scene he was painting, whether mountain or ocean or winter landscape, Bob Ross made sure that there was a place in there for his birds. Remember that your friends, the little birds, have to have limbs out here to sit on. That is what all these little tree limbs are for. They are just little seeds for the birds, he said. The bird is a reminder to leave space in our lives for the little ones that make the world so joyful and that bring a song to our hearts. And whenever you hear those birds sing, do not be afraid to join them and sing with them. That was the reading for you, Taurus. I do thank you for listening. I wish you a most joyous whole week. Take care and goodbye.